right, so let's talk about my very, 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 very favorite thing in the world, which is enzyme mask. I love enzymes because what don't they do, honestly? They go around like little Pac-Man eating away dead skin cells. So they're good if you're dealing with acne, acne scars, or ingrown hair in the chin area. Now, what you do want to consider though, if you are dealing with acne, you want to lean more towards a clay-based enzyme mask because the clay will help draw out impurities, and then the enzymes will just help eat away the dead skin cells. So I prefer that routine, but I put my mask on using a mask brush. I like a silicone mask brush because then it doesn't collect bacteria, dirt, and all that stuff. I just wash it off and boom, I'm ready to go, and it dries super quick. So I would just get a scoop of it, place it on inside of the lid, and then I'll just hold the lid in the palm of my hands and get the mask, apply it all over my skin, and then I will leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then I will rinse it off. If it's like my wash day, my hair care routine day, what I will do though is I will cleanse my skin in the shower. So I do my double cleanse, wash my face twice while I'm taking a shower, washing my hair, and then I will also do the scrub, which is here. I will also do the scrub, and I do the scrub circular motions for 90 seconds while I'm in the shower, washing my hair and doing all that stuff. And then I rinse it off. And while the conditioner is sitting on my hair, I also put my face mask on, and I leave the face mask on for about 10 minutes, and then I rinse it off whenever I rinse my hair. Hey there, thanks so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope you learned at least one thing by the end of today's video. Remember to comment down below and like and follow at Luxury Lotus Spa on all of your favorite social media platforms. I put the mask on and I leave it on for 10 minutes, rinse it off, apply my toner, and I'll go from there. It was something else I wanted to share with you, but I cannot think of it right now. So I'll probably have to share it later or in the comment section. But yes, enzymes are my BFF forever and ever and ever. I do have a miracle enzyme mask. You can get it in my online store. It's shop.luxurylotusspa.com. Again, shop.luxurylotusspa.com, and the link should be in the bio or in the description section below. But yes, go ahead and get yours. Use it weekly and see what happens to your skin. You are going to be glowing, and your skin is going to be clear, my friends. Okay, so what's next? So we cleanse, right? Double cleanse. We exfoliated with a scrub, and I gave you an alternative in case you prefer to use your own scrub. Then we came in with the mask, and we left the mask on for about 10 minutes. And when we removed the mask 10 minutes later, that's what I was going to tell you. So while the mask is on, sometimes I will steep 2 bags of green tea, and then you don't want it too hot to where it burns your skin, but you do want it nice and warm, and I would just sit them on top of my eyes, and it just it's very soothing to my eye, like for me. And so I just let them sit on my eyes and then just roll that way. But yeah. Anyways, I think that's it for that one. So after I do that, next thing I will do is I would follow it up with a toner. I don't know what's going on. And after we tone our skin, we're gonna go on to our next section. All right, so stay tuned for the next video where we'll talk about a little bit more. All right, I hope you're enjoying this series, and if you have questions or you're learning, please be sure to rate, comment, and share this video with anyone you think might find it useful. Or the entire series, honestly, would be nice to share. So just share the entire playlist and help someone else also get clear, smooth, and even skin. All right, so thanks again for tuning in. It's your girl, Esther the Esthetician here. Wow, Esther, what the heck? I don't remember. After you finish your cleanser, well, I'm just having a tough. I will get my mask, put the mask on, and just kind of Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video today. I hope you learned at least one thing. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment below one thing that you learned from today's video or one thing you plan to apply to your skincare routine. And also, join the Clear Skin Challenge. www.luxurylotusspa.com/Clear Skin Challenge. And also, I've put together some videos along here for you just to kind of help you continue along your self-care journey, your clear skin journey. Until next time, Esther the Esthetician out.